Welcome to our Spreadshop review. If you're looking to create a simple online store for your merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping logistics, Spreadshop might be the platform you need. This site lets you design custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs, and sell them directly to your audience. The platform is easy to use, with a variety of design tools and templates to help you get started quickly. Once you've designed your products, Spreadshop handles the production and shipping, meaning you don't have to worry about logistics. The platform offers integration with popular e-commerce marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon, which can help increase the visibility of your products. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Spreadshop also offers a wide range of customization options for your store. You can personalize the look and feel of your shop, select different payment methods, and even integrate with social media platforms to promote your products. The platform doesn't charge any setup fees, which makes it accessible for anyone looking to start a business with minimal risk. With Spreadshop, you can focus on creating, marketing, and growing your brand, while the platform takes care of the logistics. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on e-commerce and dropshipping.